guys, Jordan from jordanseasyentertaining.com here, and welcome to the 13 Days of Halloween Party Ideas. Today, I'm showing you how to make a super fun Halloween party game for the kids. This DIY skeleton arm ring toss game. Did you like this Halloween party game idea? If so, pop over to jordanseasyentertaining.com to see even more, and don't forget to check out the rest of the 13 Days of Halloween Party Ideas. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!